Comparison of rational numbers. Today we will learn about comparison of rational numbers. First of all, we should know the meaning of comparison and rational numbers. Comparison means comparing, and rational numbers, the numbers which are in a fraction form are called rational numbers, or the number which is in P upon Q form, and P and Q are integers where Q is non-zero. To understand the concept of comparison of rational numbers, we will draw a number line. Now, this is a line. This is a line. First, we will locate 0 on the line. Then on right side of 0 at a fixed distance, we will locate positive numbers such as 1, 2, 3 and so on. Similarly, on left side of the 0, we will locate negative numbers at a same fixed distance such as -1, -2, -3 and so on. Now, this is a number line. We can see in this number line any pair of numbers on a number line. Any pair of numbers on a number line, the number to the left is smaller than the other. We can see in this number line, number 1 is smaller than 2. If we take a pair of 2 and 3, we can see number 2 is smaller than 3. Similarly, number -2 is smaller than -1. Now, we will see some concept of rational numbers. If the numerator and denominator of a rational number is multiplied by any non-zero number, then the value of rational number does not change. If the numerator and the denominator of a rational number is multiplied by any non-zero number, then the value of rational number does not change. It remains the same. It remains the same. That is, A upon B is equal to k into A upon k into B. Here k is the non-zero number. K is a non-zero number where k is a non-zero number. Now we will see some useful rules to compare two rational numbers. For that, we will take a two rational number. If A upon B and C upon D are rational numbers such that B and D are positive and first case, if A into D less than B into C, then A upon B will be less than C upon D. Second one, if A into D is equal to B into C, then A upon B is equal to C upon D. Now the third one, if A into D is greater than B into C, then A upon B will be greater than C upon D. These are some useful rules to compare two rational numbers. If A upon B and C upon D are rational numbers means they are in a fraction form. We can see A upon B and C upon D, they are in fraction form. It is a rational number means B and D are non-zero. A upon B and C upon D are rational numbers such that B and D are positive number, and if A into D less than B into C, then A upon B will be less than C upon D. Here B will be goes to that side in denominator and D will be goes on the other side. Second one, if A into D is same as B into C, then A upon B is equal to C upon D. Third one, if A into D is greater than B into C, then A upon B is greater than C upon D. These are some useful rules to compare two rational numbers. If we know these things, then we can easily compare two rational numbers. I would like to explain you one more thing about these rules. Okay, see the second one. If A into D equal to B into C, then A upon B equal to C upon D. How we are getting this? See here, A, this side of B will become in a denominator and D will be goes to other side of denominator. So we are getting A upon B equal to C upon D. But we cannot say only we get A upon B equal to C upon D. There may be A upon C. This C may become in denominator and this D may be goes to other side. We can get A upon C equal to B upon D. This is also possible. But why I am not writing here A upon C equal to B upon D? Why? Because we are comparing A upon B with C upon D. Because we are comparing the rational number A upon B with rational number C upon D. That's why I am writing here A upon B is equal to C upon D.